Hey, what's up? It's Matt for 360 Investigations, and if you'll turn the camera around, this is what remains of an abandoned detention center that I was going to do today, but apparently, as you can see, it's completely 100% demolished. All that's left is the fenced-in area and a grassy parking lot. So yeah, it's unfortunate that's what happens to these places, but apparently sometime between last year, beginning of last year and now, it's been completely demolished. So unfortunately I didn't know that, but Google Earth actually shows it still being here, so I don't know what's going on. So I just wanted to give that unfortunate update. And so until next explore, Lisa and I wish you well, stay safe during the pandemic, social distance, wear a mask, and just abide by safety regulations, please. Thanks.